beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your November love and work forecast for Taurus. Yes, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Taurus, this reading is for you. If you know a Taurus, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Winds Tarot, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading, and make sure to comment, because if you subscribe, like, and comment, you will get a chance to win a free reading at the end of this month, and one lucky winner will be selected. So yeah, this is my way of giving back to you all. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. So oh my god, let's take the card that jumped out. Oh, Taurus, see, the card that flew out is Moon. This is the theme of your month. Wow, lot of emotions, clarity, a lot of creativity. Very, very creative month for you, Taurus. Let's see the theme of the month of November. Wow, the Seven of Pentacles and the Five of Swords. Okay, you also have a card flipped out, the World. I think this is a month where you want to start something, or it is a month of beginnings and endings for you, but you're a little confused, like where is, what is happening when, kind of, like, because you don't know when are things ending or where are they starting. So it is a kind of a confusing month. I also feel your creativity will be very, very high. It will be an emotionally rich month for you, Taurus. And money is coming your way, money you had been waiting for, money you wanted, or money that is destined, that is your karma, that was, you have, it's some past hard work you have done. Also some rewards or something good will happen this month for you. And some of you might get good news from, if you want to go for abroad, or if you are looking for some job in some other cities or countries, you will have some good news there which you had been waiting probably since like ages. And the Five of Swords, I feel you are letting this go, this mistrust, this dragonfly which is changing, which is changing. You are letting go of people who hurted you, people who cheated on you, or people who just went behind your backs, you know them. Some things are happening, some people worked behind your back, but it's all over. It's all over. You are safe, Taurus. You are safe. Don't worry. Your creativity is high, clarity is coming, you're emotionally successful, so financially also, so don't worry. A new start, or a emotionally rich start is coming for you, and freedom from these past um, you know past people or situations which were not right for you. This wasn't right. This is toxic. This is something, if people were talking behind your back, they won't affect you anymore. If you were affected by the world issues, yes, I do feel some of you were very much, Taurus, affected by the world issues, current energy. It's been crazy. It's been crazy intense past few days, and I know you have felt it with the Halloween full moon. So it's okay. You're gonna be fine in November. All that pressure, that people or situations working against you, it's all over now. You're gonna be safe. You're gonna be in your zone of work, creativity, and getting some finances and breakthroughs. Your love life, Taurus. Let's see your love life. Nine of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, the Six of Cups. Wow. The Ace of Pentacles and the Six of Pentacles and the Shadow side. Okay. Ooh, Two of Cups. Interesting. The Temperance for Taurus for November, their love life. The Seven of Cups, the King of Swords, the Nine of Wands, and the Page of Swords. Wow, wow, wedding bells for some of you. Yes, you are moving to something exciting this month, Taurus, and it's been a long, long time. I see you start the month choosing yourself. You are focused on self growth, on choosing yourself. Your focus is on your career, your money. You want to build yourself up. You are no longer settling for less, Taurus, and that's a good thing. You don't need to. I do feel you are trying to recover from a very harsh breakup or a very harsh ending or a toxic situation. You're trying to break free out of it, or maybe you have ended it in the past few days or months, but you will fully recover from it in this month. You will recover when you start the month. You will feel like these endings just don't affect you anymore, or they don't affect you as much as it did in the past. I do feel that there is someone who sees you as a soulmate and they still loves you. They want to come back to you again. They still see the potential in this connection. Because you are doing so fabulously, Taurus. So no wonder they want to come back. This person is from your past, or maybe this person is someone who is a friend zone person right now. If this is a new person, they are friend zoned, they are someone you work with or study with, they like you, they might be living in near you or somewhere in your country only. But they will try to offer you this new start. They want a new start with you, they want a new breakthrough with you, they want a solid commitment with you. But I see that because of your past issues, Taurus, if this is a new connection, you might have tough times or you might act pricey. And I think that's good because you should. Because you had been through some terrible times. So, if this person is from your past and they want to come back and now shower you with love, you'll be like, why now? Out of all the times, why now? So I do feel that some things from the past will still affect you. You may feel like you can't. This person is addicted to you, or you are addicted to them. It's just like you can't. You don't want them, but I love you like I hate you kind of a relationship. They want you, but when they are with you, they don't give you time. So it's kind of a love hate and addiction going on. Or even if it's a new connection, it is kind of, you will find it difficult, or you may find that you will be worried, will it be like the past one, like this one, the one, will it be toxic? You'll be worried about that. But I think mid of the month things will get better, and balance will be there. You will be able to open your heart and share your heart. You both, whether it's a new connection or the return of the past lover, things will be great. Balance will be there. Love will be, communications will be open. There will be an easy, breezy energy. You'll like the mid of the month. Trust me, creativity will be also high. You might be going out on some dates, Taurus. I see you wearing something good and ordering some champagne, maybe. I don't know. I don't know much about these stuff, but yeah. Seven of Cups. I see that there are two potential lovers coming for you, one from the past, or maybe they are on your mind, and someone new. So, in the last week of November, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, and you will be like, why is this person coming back? So, you have some choices. You're spoiled, Taurus. You're spoiled, although you may not feel like it is fun to choose. But yes, you are being given choices, and someone from your past will come, and you will have to choose from this and that. I do see that, you know, you might still not be sure about the past person until and unless they commit marriage or long term commitment, or prove they are coming for staying and not for running away. I feel this is a very twin flamey connection. You both are twin flames, divine masculine, feminine, or you are both ex husband, wife, or you are married to them and things are just on and off. So, yes. You will ask them some tough questions, and your defenses will be high, Taurus. But I do see that you will end up getting even more spoiled with a proposal of marriage or commitment or long term. They want to win you. They absolutely want to win you. And I think this person will make an effort. They need to work on it, but I do see them making an effort to win you, to marry you, and some of you might actually be getting married at the end of this month, or you might be, feel like things are stable and solid. Let's see your advice, Taurus. Let's see. Advice for Taurus for the month of November. Wow, the crown chakra. See, oh, the base chakra. See, this is a very telepathic union. This is a very telepathic connection. You need to listen to your intuition. Because you have the moon, so you are very connected to people and their emotions. So you need to keep your mind open and keep your intuition open. Stay flexible because there might be choices in love. Base chakra, yeah. Someone, I feel the connection is like you are intuitive or they are intuitive, and there are still some power struggles, ego issues happening. Maybe your person is egoistic. They need to work on their base chakra while you are working on your crown chakra. Healing. Number 17, look at that. Transformation, big changes, wishes coming true. Things will come true. Whatever you want, make a wish, it will come true for you, Taurus. Yes, Hermit. Those who have been away from you, they are going to come back and talk to you, or you will get some messages through spirit or intuitive messages through guidance, through our channel Magic Wednesday. So you will get messages. So don't worry. And let us see your work and career now. Let's see that. Your work. Ooh. Oh my God, again you have the star card. This is beautiful. You just now had a star here also. Look at that. Here. Number 17. And you have another one. So yay. Wish is coming true. Happy month for you. At least it's not like all is rosy here, Taurus, but it is like you get what you waiting for. Your wish is coming true. Things at least move forward for you. Wish is coming true. Creativity is high. Taurus, their work and career, finances from November. Okay. Yeah, some of you are ending a work situation. It's toxic. It's absolutely toxic for you. Maybe this is from your work, people backbiting, people not paying you on time. Some of you are maybe looking or starting a new job, or maybe some of you need to move to another city for new jobs or something, or a business. Maybe if you are a student, you might have to leave your family or something if they are not cooperating or understanding. So there is a sense of you letting go something in your work or moving ahead from challenges. Absolutely. Negativity, toxicity, you're moving out of it, and you're moving towards clarity. You're moving towards aligning with your goals, Taurus. You're moving towards a sense where things are working and the universe is working through you. And I also feel that your intuition will be guiding you, so you should listen to your intuition. You should put some creative, use, and learn. You will be learning something new, or you'll be very creative, and your wishes regarding work will be fulfilled. You will be taking charge of your life, your work, your business, your career. You'll be exceptionally successful. Some of you may get promoted this week or month. I also feel some of you might get a support from your parents or from your senior. Someone will support you, or you will support someone, and it will be life changing for you. And look at that, the Ace of Swords. Yes, breaking free. You want to break free. You can't stay here. You can't be on the ground. You need to fly, Taurus. That's your energy. You fly. And look at that. Busy month. You'll be making a lot of money. You'll be also studying a lot. You will also be crafting or creating. If you are an artist, your art will be exceptionally brilliant in this month. So I suggest you to make more art, make more paintings, make more music, sing, take time to meditate. Why? Because all your creativity is super, super high. Let's take some advice. And yep, money is coming, friends. Money is coming. You got not to worry about money. Because there is a lot else in this world to worry about right now rather than money. So yeah, your money worries are completely taken care of. Teach. Some of you will start teaching. I told you. Some of you are getting promoted. I also told you that maybe some of you will help someone out. So yes, make sure you do that, because I think it is going to change your destiny. Some of you are going to follow your life purpose or follow your destiny, which you have not been doing till now. Some of you will start teaching, or some of you will start dealing some pet work, like making pet supplies, or animal welfare, something like that, working with children, working with books, finances, creativity, lots of things. Ooh, love abounds. Yes, your work improves with what you love. And follow your heart. It will lead you to success in your work, giving and sharing. Yes, there are people who are ready to help you, Taurus. You are not alone. And also there is a lot of support around you. I know you, how you feeling. You're feeling like this. Where is my support? Why is everyone against attacking? You'll find it. You'll find it. Save this reading, come back, let me know. I know it's true. That's why I do the readings, because I know it's true. Lows. That was not at all modest. Let's see. Oh, see, money path. See, they confirmed it. Here, look at that. See, a money path is opening for you. A path of money is waiting for you. Look at that. It's beautiful. And March is important. Yeah, something may you have done in March, or you applied for in March, or maybe you gave something, did something like worked in March, but its reward is coming now, stuff. You will be taken care of in difficult times. Yes, you're safe. Mountain road. You are on the road to success. Absolutely. You have done a lot of hard work. Your wait will be over. Some of you are waiting for money or success. Yes, it's coming. Wind chimes, peace and harmony is coming. Older man. Yeah, some of you might be dealing with an older man, or maybe a parent this month is important. Secret admirer. I told you, Taurus, you have a friend or someone new that likes you. They want to be with you. Seahorse, family matters. Yeah, you might be involved with family a little bit too much. Love, yes, some of you might be finding the love of your life or getting married. Parrots, someone is going to gossip about all your things. Yeah, you don't want people talking. You're done with toxicity like that. December is important for you. Teardrops, you are a little unhappy because some changes are coming, but it will all work out for you. So make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, or join us on Instagram. And friends, subscribe, like and comment to win a free reading at the end of this month by a random draw. So yes, and this is Mystic C saying bye.